To be someone, we need to have an aim. At a certain point of his life, he also had to set the aim. He wanted to start his own business and contribute to people and society. He didn't have the experience or any good channel, but his best power was his inner strength. So he was stick to his passion and Daffodil family born.
The journey was not so smooth, but I never lost my confidence. On that time, I was amazed to see the blessings of ICT and decided to move on it. I yet remember the tireless effort, sleepless day and night. My heart was filled with dreams which drove me to my destination. But today, whenever I sit alone and close my eyes for sometimes, I realize it was possible because of excellent team and their strong commitment. The journey which I started with the startup company Daffodil Computers in 1990 turned into Daffodil Computers Limited, the first public listed ICT company of the country.
After tremendous success in the field of ICT industry, we felt that there is a huge skills gap within the employees, and we decided to establish Daffodil Institute of IT. And accordingly, we established Daffodil Institute of IT in 1997, and with the affiliation of NCC Education UK. And after that, we have established Daffodil International University
to serve the needs of our industry for skilled manpower. Daffodil International University was established in 2002. To serve the needs of these students, we have the largest green campus among all private universities. Joining our students, who number above 20,000, are foreign students from Nepal, Africa, from South Asia, in the tune of 400 students. Our students, many of them have become entrepreneurs, working internationally, working in our market, and serving the needs of society.
Tomorrow's job market will focus on skills rather than only university degrees. We all need to ensure hands-on skills, and that's why we all have to focus on acquiring skills to impress tomorrow's employers.
Daffodil is very young and full of vigor. And during last 29 years, through our collective drives, we transform many, many lives.
Daffodil believes in innovation, and that proves in all its effort. Here, students are prepared to face the fourth industrial revolution: artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, robotics, big data, cybersecurity, everything.
Daffodil University and Daffodil family is giving its highest emphasis to enlighten and empower all these young people.
Today, Daffodil Education Network is now the largest education venture of its kind in South Asia. We are giving effort to develop interactive teaching and learning solutions.
Following the direction of High Court Division, Daffodil has a strong complaint committee to prevent EFTC.
Students have the right for education. To educate and empower the distressed children, Daffodil family set up Daffodil Institute of Social Science.
ড্যাফোডিল ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ইউনিভার্সিটিতে এসে সত্যি আনন্দিত যে আর আপনারা দিয়েছেন প্রায় 22,000 ল্যাপটপ।
For a long time, Daffodil family kept its focus on education and ICT sectors. Certainly, the family brought another agenda in its movement. So, Daffodil family initiated CardioCare, New Tech Pharma, and came in light.
Bangladesh Venture Capital is one of the edition of Daffodil family. Daffodil Dreams for the Nation. It is the unique edition as well to prepare the students as they are getting ready to make them entrepreneur as well. So we are funding for the bona fide students.
Our honorable chairman, Dr. Mohammad Subur Khan, is now leading the World Business Angels Investment Forum as the High Commissioner, Global Entrepreneurship Network, Association of Universities of Asia and Pacific.
I always asked myself, what is my contribution to the society? Ensuring meaningful impact is important, and we always do it in our organization. The achievement of the family may be huge to others, but I always felt we have a lot of other ways to contribute or give back to the society. Bangladesh has huge potential and will shake the whole world.